Hey everyone, Max here. It's been a while since I last posted here, so I wanted to jump in with a quick update and share what's been happening and what's next for the channel. Over the past few weeks, I've been heads down working on clients' projects, and that's kept me away from regular uploads. But the good news is I'm back to planning new content for you. The goal moving forward is to make this channel the go-to place for practical Magento insights, tutorials, tips, and lesson learned from real-world projects. I want to focus not just on how-to guides, but also on explaining why certain solutions work, how they work, what can save you some time, money, and headaches. Over the next few days, I will be mapping out a fresh content schedule. Some videos will be short and actionable, quick wins you can apply immediately. Others will be deep dives where we will break down a problem from start to finish. And here is where you can help. I would like to hear from you. What Magento topics, challenges, or pain points would you like me to cover? Is it performance, checkout, extensions, maybe Hiva sim, or something else entirely? Drop a comment below because your feedback will directly shape the next batch of videos. I'm also considering starting a new series, something consistent and recurring, but I will share more details once the concept is ready. So yeah, I just want to say thank you for sticking around and let you know that the channel is coming back to life. Make sure you are subscribed with notifications on because new content is on the way very soon.